Good morning. Next is the topic about population growth. The population growth is a very large topic. This cannot be covered in a single speech or a single appointment, although it can be discussed in short, or very important features can be discussed in short at a time. So when we discuss about population, then clearly comes a picture that that there is a assemblage of people or assemblage of animals residing at a place which is increasing. Usually it is not seen that the population is diminishing, but it happens. Many populations decrease. Many species have vanished, many subspecies have gone, many important animals and plants have gone. They are not seen anymore. They are extinct. Many other species are endangered, so their population is diminishing. So there are two kinds of population growth in usual terms. The first is the arithmetic growth. When the population is growing slowly in a balanced way and keeping balance with the given resources and the nature, and not disturbing the earth usually, and having a plenty of resources, still it is maintaining its balance. It is having a balanced growth. Then this type of population growth is said as arithmetic growth. This is arithmetic growth when the population is not drastically increasing. As for example, the bird species in India, the fish species in India, they are not increasing drastically. The carnivore species in the forest is not increasing drastically. So if there is some increase in their populations, the population increase will be said as the arithmetic growth. But there is another type of growth which is the geometric growth. In a geometric growth, people or animals or whatever, whoever the consumers may be, they just jump to eat the resources. They jump to consume all the resources: space, air, water, food, habitat, space, and all that. They just make a crowd to eat up or consume the resources very fast. And when there is consumption of resources very fast, then what happens? Then there is a sudden surge in the population size. There is sudden increase, manifold of the population size. The younger ones will just assemble and consume huge quantities of food, water, and all that. In such a case, the birth rate increases, because the younger people are giving birth to more young ones, giving birth to more infants, and the infants are eating up fast, and they are not, and none of them almost is dying, because the resources are plenty. They eat up and they grow up very fast and become reproducible and reproduce very fast, because they have greed of the resources. Because of this greed, they produce many more and more offspring, so that the population size witnesses increase in a very short span of time. Such increase in the population is known as geometric growth. In some parts of world, the human race is also witnessing such type of geometric growth. Even in India, you can see places where the human race has increased many-fold during few decades. Besides human population, there are bacteria, which when put into a culture, they consume the resource there. What is the resource in a culture medium? There is water, there are nutrients, there is some air. They reproduce very fast and become many-fold in few hours. So what a pity. The human race is now being comparable to the bacteria. Human race and the bacterial race both are comparable in terms of population size increase. Both are witnessing geometric increase. The bacterial population increases geometrically and everywhere, and the human population undergoes geometric growth at some places. That's the difference. So this is the geometric growth which consumes the resources very fast and brings some catastrophe, because there is no control on the population size or population growth. Some catastrophe is certainly waiting for the bacterial population and other populations which are witnessing this kind of population surge or spurt. That's all today. We shall meet in next video. This is Dr. Hem Srivastav in the YouTube channel Baaton Baaton mein. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.